Just have a look at the Delhi registered car. The gentleman stepping out of the car has developed the idea of power storage system known as VKit. Sir, what inspired you to think about such a pocket and practically apply it?
The world continues to hunt for new techniques to generate non-conventional sources of energy. Sources like windmill and solar power require huge initial capital investment. Moreover, these sources are not practically effective all the time. Windmills work effectively only in certain areas. In case of solar power, electricity is produced effectively for only 8 hours a day. Knowledge leads to enlightenment.
While thinking about the new source of energy, an idea flashed in my mind to generate electricity from the vehicle. This curiosity led me to practically experiment my idea. Approximately 16 crore vehicles are registered in India. This figure reaches to 150 crores if we talk about the world. If we talk about our Kerala state, this figure reaches to approximately 64 lakhs. There is an increment of about 13.4% in the vehicular population annually as per the survey. Usually, in all motor vehicles, an electromechanical device is provided for generating electricity. This device is known as alternator. The alternator is mainly used to meet the electrical requirements of a vehicle like headlamp, stereo system, wiper, horn, etc. Definitely, this is what I understood when I studied about the alternator in depth. Usually, when the vehicles move, the alternator is not utilized to its maximum capacity. Most vehicles, alternators are provided with more capacity than required by that vehicle. If the alternator is utilized to its maximum capacity and collected into a chargeable battery, it could be utilized to meet the household requirement. While experimenting, I observed that the charging capacity of the VKit depends not on how many kilometers the vehicle ran, but for how many hours the engine of the vehicle ran.
Sir, how does the VKit that you have developed affect the engine and alternator of the vehicles? Could you just explain?
Ampere capacity of the alternator of the vehicle is higher than the ampere capacity required to charge VKit. So the question of any damage to vehicle's engine or alternator doesn't arise.
While charging the VKit in the vehicle, does it lead to an increase in the fuel consumption?
Never, because when compared to the vehicle's engine capacity, the use of alternator is very low on the AC in the vehicle. The load of the AC of the vehicle is approximately 5 horsepower.
Does the engine show any changes after the installation of VKit?
No, when the system was experimented, it was understood that VKit does not noticeably affect or increase the fuel consumption of the vehicles.
Can we install VKit in all the vehicles?
VKit can be used in all kinds of vehicles. Are you aware that the commercial vehicles run daily about hundreds of kilometers? If we use VKit in all these vehicles, unimaginable amount of power can be generated.
How is VKit useful in the agricultural field?
There are many possibilities. Usually, tractors are a common view in Indian villages, even where electricity supply has not yet reached. Mostly, tractors run during the daytime.
Can you explain what was the result of installing VKit in tractors?
This VKit is not only useful for me, but for many others like me. And I am sure for it. I am able to run a half HP motor for about 5 hours. I use it to run TV, 3-4 CFL bulbs, 4-5 tube lights and fan. VKit is definitely a solution for the power crisis.
Which all household equipments can be worked using the VKit?
it would be better to give a demonstration for that.
Wow! Just can't believe it. Can the V-Kit generate so much power from a vehicle?
To protect the border areas, many security vehicles are in motion all the times. If the V-Kit is used in these vehicles to store power, up to a certain extent, the use of generators can be reduced. If this provision is used even in a single bus, the whole of the bus stand's electrical requirement can be fulfilled for one whole night. I am very much confident about it. In all kinds of vehicles can generate electricity and store it for further utilization through the V-Kit. With the advancing technology, high-capacity automobile alternators have entered into the world market. If we use these type of alternators, the quantum of electricity which we can generate will be very high compared to the existing system. Even though I am very much confident of the bright future of V-Kit, more researchers are required to make the V-Kit even more effective. As per the studies, mostly the maximum capacity of the vehicles are not utilized. Hence, it is wasted. There is no proportional increase in the fuel consumption with regard to the number of persons traveling in the car as per the research. In a Tata Nano car, the engine capacity is just 37 horsepower and the seating capacity is for 5 persons, whereas in Honda Accord car, the engine capacity is 271 horsepower and the seating capacity here also is for 5 persons. Using the latest computerized sensing technology, if the mechanical energy of such vehicles with a high capacity is utilized, the extra energy can be converted into electricity and this energy can be utilized for our day-to-day requirements in an effective way. Just as the firefly guided the early men in darkness, my V-Kit is a small contribution to the ocean of inventions and researchers to combat the power crisis of the world.
Knowledge leads to enlightenment. What if light hinders the attainment of knowledge?
Mother, the lamp has blown out.
Oh, when shall we get liberation from these power cuts?
Hooray! Light has come, Mother.